Hello students, good morning. I am Chandrasekhar Trivedi and today I will continue your physics chapter motion, and previous classes I explained you various topic of this chapter like what is motion and how many types of motion such that uniform motion, non-uniform motion, scalar quantity, vector quantity, distance, displacement, and there are various topics left in this chapter. So today we will continue the remaining topic of this chapter. So the first topic is speed. So students, what do we mean by the speed? When any object is in motion, so either it is moving fastly or it is slowly. When an object is moving fastly, then we can say that it is moving fastly. If object is moving slowly, then we can say that object is moving slowly. When object is in motion, then definitely it will cover some distance, and when it covers some distance, then it will take some time to cover the distance. So the definition of the speed comes out from this discussion is that the distance traveled by any moving object in unit time is known as the speed. If any object covered s distance in time t, then speed is equal to distance upon time. Speed is represented by u is equal to, or you can say there are two symbols which are used, u or v. So you can write here v. V is equal to distance s upon time t. So v is equal to s upon t. S is the distance and its SI unit is meter, and time, its SI unit is second. So the SI unit of speed is equal to meter per second. In this way, so the general definition of speed that we discuss is that the distance covered by any moving object in unit time is known as speed. It is represented by v and its SI unit is meter per second, and an instrument that is known as speedometer measure the speed of any vehicles like car, bus, truck, bike, or any moving vehicle. So speedometer is an apparatus to measure the speed of any vehicle. Now there is another more important topic, average speed. What is an average speed? The ratio of the total distance to the total time is known as the average speed. Average speed. What is average speed? Ratio of the total distance to the total time. Or we can say that average speed is equal to total distance upon total time. And there are various numerical problem in your book, in this chapter, in which you use this formula. Average velocity is equal to total distance upon total time. And uniform speed. Uniform speed. If any moving object covers equal distance in equal interval of time, then we can say that the object is moving with uniform speed. So, listen carefully. What is uniform speed? If any moving object covers equal distance in equal interval of time, then we can say that object is in uniform speed. Similar like a uniform motion. There is a definition of uniform speed. And now, students, we discuss velocity. Before discussing velocity, I want to say here one thing, that speed either a scalar quantity or vector quantity. So, listen here carefully. In all these discussion, there is no discussion about the direction of the moving object, means in which direction the object is moving. Only we discuss about the magnitude, means any object is moving with speed 40 km per hour or 30 kmph or 100 kmph, means speed have only magnitude, not any direction. That's why speed is a scalar quantity. And after that, we discuss what is velocity. Velocity means it is similar to the speed, but in velocity, when object is moving in a particular direction, means when any object move along with a particular direction, then speed convert into the velocity. Or we can say, if speed contains direction, then its name changes as a velocity. So what is the definition of the velocity? The displacement covered by a moving object in unit time is known as velocity. Since velocity has magnitude as well as direction, that's why it is a vector quantity. And what is the formula of the velocity? So velocity V is equal to displacement upon time. And all you see in speed is equal to, that is velocity. You can write here velocity and you can write here speed. Speed, distance upon time. So listen here, here is a displacement and here is a distance. Distance is a scalar quantity, that's why speed is a scalar quantity, whereas displacement is a vector quantity, that's why velocity is a vector quantity. And what is the difference between the velocity and speed? Velocity and speed. Speed always greater than the velocity. Speed and velocity are same when object is moving in a straight line motion. If object takes U-turn other than straight line motion, then speed is more than velocity. Velocity may be 0, but speed cannot be 0, because if any object start moving from any point and after passing from various path and return to its original position or initial position, then the total displacement is zero. Since displacement is zero, suppose there is a point A and one object start moving in various path, and after moving in various path, it return back to its initial position. It start moving from these various paths and return back to its initial position. Then the displacement in this condition is zero. Displacement is zero, so velocity will be zero. But distance, in this case, the total distance is the sum of the length of all these paths. So distance will never zero. That's why speed will never zero. So velocity may be zero, but speed may not be zero. Speed always greater than velocity. Speed is equal to velocity when the object is moving in a straight line motion. So these are the few difference between the speed and velocity. After that, we are discussing acceleration. What is acceleration? When object is in motion, then after passing the time, its velocity either increases or decreases. So if there is continuously increases their velocity after passing the time, then it is known as the acceleration. So what is the definition of the acceleration? The rate of change of velocity is known as the acceleration. Rate of change of velocity. Rate of change of velocity is known as acceleration, and it is represented by small a, and its SI unit is meter per second square. If any object start moving with initial velocity u, if any object start moving with initial velocity u, and after time t, its velocity, or you can say its final velocity becomes v. Then according to the definition of acceleration, is equal to change in velocity upon time. So acceleration, it is represented by small a. Change in velocity means final velocity minus initial velocity on time. That is the formula to determine the acceleration. A is equal to v minus u upon t. So acceleration is the rate of change of velocity, or per unit change in velocity is known as the acceleration. If velocity is increases, then acceleration is positive. If velocity is decreases, then acceleration is negative. And negative acceleration is also known as the retardation. Means when any object is in motion and we apply the brake, then continuously the speed or the velocity of the moving object decreases. Means acceleration working as in the negative form. It is known as the retardation. There are two types of acceleration: uniform acceleration and non-uniform acceleration. So what is uniform and non-uniform acceleration? Uniform acceleration listen carefully the definition of uniform acceleration. When there is a change in the equal amount of velocity, when there is a change in the equal amount of velocity in equal interval of time, then it is known as the uniform acceleration. And the essential condition is that the object is in straight line motion. Or if you want to combine these two things, if an object is moving in a straight line motion, then the change in the velocity, the equal amount of change in velocity in equal interval of time is known as the uniform acceleration. If an object in a straight line motion, then equal amount of velocity change in equal interval of time is represented as uniform acceleration. In its opposite, non-uniform acceleration, non-uniform acceleration, when unequal amount of velocity change in equal interval of time, then it is known as non-uniform acceleration. Or in other words, you can say when equal amount of velocity change in unequal interval of time, then it is known as non-uniform acceleration. So students, these are the few definitions which we discussed in this class: speed, average speed, uniform speed, velocity, average velocity, acceleration, retardation, uniform acceleration and non-uniform acceleration. I hope you all understand, and tomorrow we will discuss the equation of motion. Thank you, students.